Let's go to Arzad's graduation day.
Let's go inside.
Some twirling fun.
Leaving us. When these children started preschool, there was much separation anxiety among the parents. For us, it was a time for building trust with the children and
We went good luck to all of us. I thought no. Do it every step.
Move the highest mountain, greatest ocean, and walk across the water. You feel defeated, falling on your knees, and looking up for some hope tonight. You try to stand up, but you throw your hands up. I can no longer have the strength to fight. You've seen too many sunsets, too many days ending in the dark of night. But on your own, you'll never know, you'll never know. If you can move the highest mountain, cross the greatest ocean, walk across the water, can move the highest mountain, cross the greatest ocean, walk across the water. If you they say that all you need is faith, but it's almost like you lost you. Need someone to lift you up and make right of the
before that, we have little Dhriti and Pavika from Star Hunter class who would like to say something.
Welcome to our graduation day. Thank you, teachers, parents, for helping us learn and grow.
Thank you, Dhriti. Now it's Pavika who would like to say something. They are extremely confident, cheerful, having a big smile on their face and presenting the beautiful presentation in front of you. So this transformation actually fills my heart with immense pride that this is what my children have learned from Adyan. A big, big round of applause to my children.
मैं इस्मत के भैया के साथ हूँ मैं मेरी प्यारी मैम आई लव यू अरे पिचन मैम थैंक यू गॉड अंकल